Hello, this is just a quick demo of the IK-FK switch tool for Ramon's rigs for Autodesk Maya. First thing you want to do is hop over to Ramon's Discord server and download the latest tool from there. Once you've downloaded, unzip the files and place them in a convenient location for yourself, somewhere on your PC. Most likely documents, Maya, whatever version you're running in scripts is probably a good place to put them. Once you've done that, open up your script editor and a new Python tab and drag and drop the Py file directly into there. You can either run the tool from here or you could select all, middle mouse, drag up to a new custom shelf, and then if you just go in and edit that, I would change it to something like IKFK, IKFK, and then there should be an icon provided as well. If you navigate to that and select it, it will just make it look a little bit nicer. So once you've done that, you can then go ahead and run it. And this is the tool itself. So the general idea of the tool is that it allows you to switch from FK to IK or IK to FK while still retaining and matching the position that you've created. So what I mean by that is if you select the switch controls and do this, it's now changed the mode of that hand to be IK. If that arm was posed, you could then also switch it and it would match. So it's really useful for contacts and climbing and that type of thing. The tool itself will only work on a rig that's referenced, and these it's been specifically built for Ramon's tools, so it's not a universal IKFK switch. It relies on namespaces and things like that, so it can only be used on Ramon's rigs. If we want to see what that looks like on an animation, just to demonstrate further, just go ahead and load this. So this is a run cycle provided by Ramon with the download of this rig, and you can see that he's animated the arms in FK. So what we could do is, if we wanted to change it to IK, we can do it on a per frame basis. So at frame 0 here, we could change it to IK and it would match the position. Or if we wanted to do it across the entire timeline, you could right click on these buttons and bake FK to IK. If you go ahead and do that, it will cycle through and change the mode, the space of the arm to IK while still retaining the animation or the poses that you previously had. So this hand is now in IK, this hand is still in FK. We could go ahead and do the same thing for that other hand just to demonstrate further. And there we go, so both arms are now in IK. You could obviously undo that and change them back to FK, or you could do it via the tool itself. That is effectively the tool. It is in beta mode at the moment. There will be further features and additions to it, but for just now I thought I would release it just because people wanted to use it. So if you have any problems with it or any additional features that you would like, you can drop me a message directly on Discord, or you can just have that conversation directly on Ramon's Discord server, which is maybe a better idea. Okay, cool. Thank you.